Good morning, Ananda. This is N. Kevin, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Konganadu College of Engineering and Technology. Today we can see the topic on joining process, welding, what are the different types of weldings, what are all the methods used for welding the metals, like that we can be seen. First, fusion welding. The metal at the joint is heated to the molten state and then it is allowed to solidify. Example, gas welding, arc welding, thermite welding, plastic welding. Metal at the joint is heated to a plastic set and are pressed together to make the joint. Electric resistant welding, forge welding. Types of gas welding. First one, oxyacetylene welding. Hottest region is 3200 degrees Celsius. Sustained pressure not more than 1.5 atmosphere. Oxygen pressure, HPS 0.1 to 3.5 bar. Less pressure is 0.5 to 3.5 bar. Torch pressure is up to 0.06 bar. Air acetylene welding. Air taken from the atmosphere and compressed mixed the acetylene to the required proportion. Temperature is lower than the oxyacetylene welding. Oxyhydrogen welding. Oxygen and hydrogen gases are mixed with the required proportion. It is used for low temperature welding metals like aluminum, lead. Gas welding equipments, oxygen cylinder, pressure gauges, acetylene cylinder, regulators, hoses, control valves, torch, tip. These are the main equipments for the gas welding equipments. Flame characteristics, neutral flame, C2H2 plus O2 gives 2CO plus H2, equal quantity of oxygen and acetylene. Inner cone develops the heat to melt the metal. Outer cone are 2CO plus O2, TCO2 has been pumped. H2 plus O2, water is created. Carburizing flame, more acetylene than oxygen. Sharp inner cone, white intermediate cone called feather cone, bluish outer cone. Oxidizing flame, 1.15 to 1.5% oxygen and C2H5. More oxygen than acetylene, small inner cone, outer cone. Leftward or forward welding is the gas welding technique which can be mainly used for arc welding and electric welding, like that. Leftward forward welding can be used. Rightward or backward welding, it can be used for melting the metals on the backside. Maximum thermite welding, MIG welding, like that can be used in this method. Arc welding equipment, heat is developed by an electric arc. The parts are electric generator, transformer, electrode holder, two cables, one for work and other for electrode, gloves, protective shield, apron, wire brush, chipping hammer, safety goggles. Filler rod of gas welding equipment, to supply the additional metal to make a joint. Metal rod as a parent metal. Electrode of arc welding equipment, consumable electrode. It is used to produce arc between work and electrode, but also provides the filler material during the welding. Non-consumable electrodes. Non-consumable electrodes are the electrodes of carbon graphite which do not consume during the welding. This table represents what are the specifications to charge the electrode. If the workpiece is rough iron, low carbon and steel rod, cast iron rods and mild steel, alloy steels, aluminum, there are required electrodes has been used. Resistance welding. Resistance welding is the one type of arc welding in which the current AC supply has been used to join the two metals. Here the copper is used as an electrode. One of the end is movable arm, another end is a fixed arm. The workpiece of two metal pieces placed in between the resistance welding, so it can be easily welded with the help of high supply of current voltage. Thank you for watching. These are all the basic welding equipment we can see. Next we can see about the resistance welding. In spot welding, a little bit spots has been used for melting the metals and it can be used with the help of current, so the metal joining process can be used. So these are all the types of welding processes and what are all the welding equipments and what are all the types of flame and be seen in this video. Thank you for watching.